Alright, Elinor and Fluttershy, we got there were no Staples easy button like this one that I have right here.
That was easy.
But we got this instead. The Staples call bell. It was like $10, I think. I don't remember. Probably $6. And here it is. And even I got the learning resources wrong answer buzzer. Here we go. This is much quiet, a little quiet, but this is loud. Now watch this. This part is loud, and this is like a little quiet, well, super loud. Let's do both. So here we go. We'll do at the end some other buttons. Yesterday we just unboxed the oof button from Roblox. Like this. Alright. Here it is. We're gonna do this right now. Alright everybody, first let me wipe my list if it's good. I think it's probably good, but let's start unboxing the Staples. The call bell. It's like some old hotels and if you want something from, in case of your broken leg or something, or you can't talk if you lose your voice, with this emergency call bell. Sorry everybody, here it is. Here's the button. Sorry about that. There's a mural going on. I don't want to get any copyright, so I might have to turn the TV this way. Here it is. Here's the bell button. We have to move this. It's what the bell looks like, just like at the, if you need something. Watch this. How does it ring? It's like this. It's like a bike bell. Well, it's not for bikes. Let's turn on the flashlight. Look nice. It's kind of cool. I strike 12 times just like the clock tower. His Alright everybody, hope you like this video of the bell and this buzzer. That reminds me, this is right. You are correct, and this one reminds me of? You're incorrect. This is better then. Let's do this. That's right. And that's wrong. For this, you can use this as if you're playing a quiz game or some trivias or stuff, or delivering your ice cream cart. Or you could play this like as if a sensory toy. Well, be careful with this. It looks like glass, kind of. Well, it's not expensive. Well, it's kind of cheaper. Alright, now it's time for the buttons. Make sure to like and subscribe with this bell. Alright. Now I'm gonna start with the easy button since 3 years ago. Close to 3 years ago, I just bought it. See this?
That was easy. That was easy.
And here we have yes. Actually, no. We will start with the buzzer. Sorry. Cut. Once again, everybody, here's the... I got this buzzer button 5 years ago. I'm not telling what it is, that sound, except for the button. But this button I got it at Target 5 years ago, back in 2020, along with this light. Well, it's not actually a toy buzzer or talking button, it's just a light. Hold on, let me turn off the flash. This is what it looks like. You can turn on and off, on and off. Alright. And once again, everybody, here it is. Let's see how it does. It's a little quiet now. I have to change batteries later. But it's a little good. Now, the next we got the easy button.
That was easy. That was easy. That was easy.
And the third one we got, we might have to use it all because I ordered these on Amazon 2 years ago. Here we have, we'll start with the yes.
Yes, 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 yes. Give me a Y, give me an E, give me an F. Yeah! Well, yes. Give me a Y, give me an E, give me an F. Yeah! Well, yes. Yes, 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 yes. Give me a Y, give me an E, give me an F.
Here we have no.
No, no, no. For the last time, no, no, no.
Here we have sorry.
Sorry,
Sorry.
sorry. I'm so sorry. I'd like to take a brief moment to offer my apologies.
Sorry. Sorry. Could I be more sorry?
Sorry. Hey, my bad. I apologize. I'd like to take a brief moment to offer my apologies. Sorry.
Sorry. Could I be more sorry?
Hey, my bad.
Sorry. I'm so sorry.
Here we have maybe.
Maybe, maybe yes, maybe no.
That's a firm maybe. M-A-Y-B-E. Let's go with maybe. Maybe.
And here we have 2025 presenters. I got the wrong answer buzzer. The orange. This is the orange or light peach buzzer, wrong answer buzzer. Alright, and here we have the oof button. Here we have an on and off switch. Here we have this. Here you have a better idea. Since it's not Christmas, I put some jingle bells on oof. Now watch this. Sorry, it's not Christmas. Well, we're just testing the musics. And here we have that I got in the Staples today. It's the Learning Resources Wrong Answer Buzzer. Sounds like a truck horn. Look nice. Alright, hope you like this and like and subscribe with this new bell. And Zeke, I'm sorry your arm is broken. Yeah, it's almost falling off. You might have to use with the netting instead. Yeah, probably. Alright, and that's it. Sorry, that was a fail. But like and subscribe and bye. It's not good. Let's try again. Like and subscribe and peace out.